you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Poor Baby Truck. You've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no! Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road. Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, Baby Truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, Baby Truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone. Oh, look, Mechanicals. It's the truck family. Good morning, everyone. Oh, that's a nice boat you have there, Baby Truck. Oh no, a tyre! It's heading right towards Baby's boat. Thanks, Mama. Now we can recycle that old tyre. Wait. Look, more rubbish. They must be coming from somewhere upriver. Let's go. Stay here, Yellow. Protect the boat. More rubbish there. Where could it be coming from? Mr. Weasel, what are you doing?
Oh, Gecko, I was trying to get rid of all my rubbish. Oh, the brakes are stuck.
You shouldn't throw rubbish in the river, Mr. Weasel. Oh no! He's heading right towards Baby Truck and her boat.
Oh, help!
You shouldn't throw rubbish in the river, Mr. Weasel. It makes the river dirty. You almost wrecked Baby Truck's toy boat.
A boat? I've not played with a boat since I was a young weasel.
I have an idea. Rubbish can be recycled instead. Make shiny new things from old things. Let me show you.
Hooah! Hoist the anchor! Look out! Here comes the good ship Weasel! This is so much fun!
Oh, the river is clean once more. See you next time. Bye! Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max. I'm coming. Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max. We'll think of something. Max, if I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max. Aim for the garage. Ah, there you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
It's Dylan the dump truck. How can we help you today? You're having problems with your dumper? Go, mechanicals! I see. Your dumper keeps dumping itself. Let's have a look. I think the piston needs replacing. Pulling this lever will stop it dumping, whilst I fetch a new piston. This will fix the problem.
Oh.
Huh? How did that get flipped back? Oh, so it was you plugging the cable back in. Oh, that's okay. You've had some fun. Now let's get the work all done. That's your new piston fitted, Dylan. But I've got an idea for this old piston. OK, Mechanicals, all done. Check out your brand new slide, built using Dylan's old piston. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Oh! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck, there's a fire.
We're saved!
Let's help fight that fire. Go, go, Mechanicals.
Oh, save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked.
Oops, sorry. The hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye. Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, Baby Truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Hoo-hoo! Happy Halloween! All right, Mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please? Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck! Welcome to the big race, where I, Wilbur T. Weasel, will prove I'm the fastest mechanic in town in my turbo-powered monster truck.
It's okay, Tilly. We don't need a turbo engine to win. You've never let me down.
Right, Gecko. The race starts when the light turns green. Ready? Steady? Go!
Go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I'm looking forward to getting my shiny winner's medal. It'll match my shiny watch.
That's it, Tilly. Nice and steady.
Activate turbo power.
Can't stop. We're racing to the rescue.
Oh, we're sinking. Oh, help.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll get you out of there fast.
I suppose you did win fair and square, but next time I'll be the winner. Oh.
Race back for more fun at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Ah, phew. Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic.
The name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the Mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh, do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly? Tilly! I'm coming! Oh no! It's too muddy! Tilly's skidding away!
Vamos, Helena! Someone needs rescuing! It won't hook!
Oh! Hang on, Tilly! Keep it steady, Blue! you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat. Almost done, Fiona. Here comes your new ladder.
Yeah!
Huh? Cat, be careful!
Hola, Gecko. Me and Helen are practicing our loop-the-loops. Look at us go! Woohoo! Yeah! Let's try a big one.
Oh, look out, Cat!
Oh no!
Incoming! Oh, are you okay, Red?
Gecko, I can't land without Helena's skids.
Oh, no! Quick, Mechanicals! We've got to help. Fetch me those wheels, please. Just a little closer.
I'm trying.
Oh! No!
Hang on, Gecko.
Blue, grab their skids. I have an idea. Now, Blue.
Phew. Another happy landing. Thanks for the help, Gecko.
No problem, Cat. All part of the service. Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like baby truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no! Mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course! The wooden spoon! Huh? It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon. With a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
That's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, Mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, Mechanicals. We need to work together. dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, Mechanicals. Green! Ah, phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, Mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, Mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby. Nice catch, Green. Da 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 dee doo. Great job, Mets. Oh, spinning screwdrivers. Sounds like someone's upset. Oh, look, it's Max the monster truck and his little sister, Molly. Let's see if we can help. Hello, Max. Hello, Molly. The roundabout needs loosening. Don't worry, Molly. We'll get it turning again. Look, it's the truck family. Hello, baby truck. You need some help to make your kite fly. And I've got an idea. Mechanicals, we'll need some oil and a wrench. Okay, Mechanicals, push! Whoa! Not so fast! Oh, nuts and bolts! I'm dizzy. Now to test out my plan. Ready, Mechanicals? Careful this time. It worked! Great job, Mechanicals. Everyone's having fun. Spinning screwdrivers, Mechanicals. This door is really stuck. Was that you, Tilly? Look, it's Trevor the tractor. Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mex, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. Whoa! Careful, Mechanicals. You need strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, friends! job, team. See you again soon, Trevor. Bye! Wow! Great job, Mechanicals! A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too.